Kapod odong' mana weche mag somo kanyo ni jatend migawo mar somo George Magoha okwayo piny owacho kokalo kuom aput mano yier kod jatend piny Kenya William Ruto mondo olos chenro makare mabiro reso mbalariany ma pachoka endi. Magoha mane olosi romo mokwongo mar apudno marango weche somo ne okoni mbalariany ma pachoka osebedo kod midhiero mathoth ahinya to mana mag weche mag omenda ma okoni oserocho chenro mag somo e mbalariany go kabisa.
Universities are dying because they are underfunded and they are thoroughly fragmented. My third charge to this committee is to look at universities without prejudice. Remove the politician, remove the fake experts, because you cannot be an expert if you don't belong to the university system. What is it that is ailing our country? What do we want to remember President Ruto for as far as the university sector is concerned? And I can talk with full authority because this is where my strength is. We have people asking for universities to be created for political reasons, people who don't even know what a university is.